What's going on, guys? Jake Tiesler with the latest Mustang and automotive news. First outing with the 3-liter Whipple. All right, this is the first time the 3-liter Whipple's been on a car down the drag strip. This is the 2018 Mustang GT. It's running 1040s at 134.6 miles an hour, almost 135 miles an hour on 91 octane. What? Yep. So let's take a look at it. To the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'm going to keep you updated with the latest Mustang and automotive news. All right, guys, so I'm going to get a discount code for you guys for Lethal Performance, so you guys can purchase the Whipple supercharger at a discount or anything on their site for a discount. So hit the subscribe button. I'm going to keep you updated with the latest Mustang and automotive news. Also, you're going to get a special discount code for you. All right, so I have to compare this car to the Demon, because I did in the last video, and I know that this car, the 2018, is not set up for drag racing. It's set up for daily driving. If you get the performance pack, it's set up to go around the road course a bit. So I know this car isn't comparable. It's not going to cut a 60-foot like a Dodge Demon, but on 91 octane, it runs the same or better mile per hour on 91 octane. Just bolt on a Whipple. This is with Whipple's tune. Nothing special. This car's got basically stronger axles, so it doesn't break the axles, drive shaft loop, and some bushings in the rear. Basically, that's it. It's running slicks. So none of that really affects the mile per hour. So you could essentially take this car on street tires with this tune, put pump gas in it, and go race a Demon on pump gas and run door to door or outrun it on the highway. Just so you know. Just so you know. So we're going to take a look at this Dodge Demon that was at a local track not too long ago. He was on pump gas, obviously. He doesn't have the race fuel in there with a different tune. He's just on pump fuel like most people. If you're going to catch somebody on the street racing them, basically they're going to be running pump E85 or pump fuel. Not that many people are going to be able to daily drive like you will with this Whipple. Anyways, I'm super happy because I live in California, 91 octane, and I need a supercharger that's going to make the most power on 91. I don't have time to mess with E85 and race fuel and all this stuff. I just want something I can get in and go. So here's the Dodge Demon. All right, I know what you're going to say. Well, the Demon is set up to go better down the quarter mile, and it is. It's got like a trans brake. It can launch. It can transfer the weight to the rear tires better. And as you add more and more power to the Demon, as you pulley it down, you change the tune even more, you do different stuff, increase the boost pressure, it's going to go faster and faster and faster. Even if you change out the supercharger, it's going to keep going faster. And that suspension on the Demon is really set up for that. So who knows, people will be running 8s in those things before too long. But basically what I'm getting at is if you bolt this supercharger on your 2018 Mustang, you're going to be making 700 wheel horsepower on 91 octane, more on 93, and it's going to be trapping 135 miles an hour. That is insanely fast for pump gas. Just bolt on a supercharger. So I'm pretty happy about this. All right, guys, that's just something I wanted to share from you. The guys at Lethal shared it to me, and I wanted to share it to you guys. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I will soon have a discount code for you guys. So that will help you out a bit if you're interested in that type of a deal. If you're interested in purchasing Mustang parts for your Mustang, or Lethal also offers a lot of different parts for different vehicles, so you can check out their website. All right, guys, over and out.